To use Zoom to record lectures, first download the Zoom client by going to zoom.us, Resources, Download Zoom Client. You will select the first download link and then install the software. After you've installed it, open the program and you'll want to go to New Meeting. You don't need to schedule a meeting for doing offline recording. So selecting New Meeting, you will then begin the meeting. You're going to want to use the computer audio, so connect with your microphone. If you need to test it, use the second option here. You can also join with your video camera as well by selecting the Start Video option at the bottom of the screen. So while recording your session, if you do want to lock it so that no one can enter, you can come down to Security and then select the Lock Meeting button. This ensures that you will be the only person inside this meeting. Down here on the bottom, you will see the Record button. So to start recording, whenever you're ready to go, you can select that. You can either choose to record to the computer or to the cloud. Generally, I recommend to record onto your computer, and that way you have all the files right there for whatever you want to do with them after you're finished. So I'll select Record on this computer. And now the recording is going on. I can see that up here. So I can pause the recording. So if I need to take a break, I can pause that. And it will say pause, of course. And I can resume it, or I can stop it. So now what happens if I was to stop it and then go back to record again? It's going to start another session. So if I talk for, say, 5 minutes, then I stop it, and then I start it again, I will have 2 different session files at the end of all my recordings. Now, if you want to share your screen, you'll click on the Share Screen button here. So if you want to have, say, a PowerPoint or a PDF document open and just focus in only on that, you're able to do so. So to share a document, I'll open up the document first. So I'll have that here. I'll go back to the Zoom window and I'll click on Share Screen. So I can either share the entire desktop, or I can just share that single document itself. So I'll just do that, and then I'll click on Share. So what I can see has happened now is that the toolbar has gone to the bottom of the screen, and the window that I'm sharing is highlighted in green. So I know that that is the only thing that's being shared at this time. So I can scroll through my document as necessary. I can talk about that. Now if I want to stop sharing, I'll click on the Stop Share button on the bottom, and then I'll go back to the main page. Zoom also has a whiteboard feature that can be accessed by the Share Screen menu. So click on that, select Whiteboard, and then go to Share. So on the whiteboard you can write equations, write notes, anything you need, insert text. If you have a tablet connected to your computer, you can also use that as your drawing device. So instead of using your mouse to do this, you can use the tablet directly. When you're done, you can clear it, select the X, and then you're back to the main Zoom screen. One more thing to be aware about with Zoom is that it is possible while you're sharing your screen to patch the audio into your recording. So say you're sharing a video file or an audio clip, you can put that sound into the recording. In order to do that, you need to share the screen, and you have to select this option on the bottom left, Share Computer Sound. So say I had my video clip playing, I could click on that, ensure that the Share Computer Sound is selected, and then hit the Share button. Now, the first time you do this, especially on a Mac, it is going to ask you to confirm the permissions before you can do that. So do keep that in mind that you have to set that up first. After you finish the recording, Zoom will automatically convert your session into an MP4 file. This file can be dropped directly into Brightspace as long as it's under 1,000 megabytes.